Yes, I wanted a boy.
Oh. I do this every time.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life.
Let me record your ass. Ring light, nigga.
That's like the one we just used, bro.
I do this every time. She's so goofy. Hi, I am naked under this thing. After 2 requests. My mom's here. It was 2 requests before she did that.
Yes. Oh yeah. So basically, I wanted to talk to the doctor before I just showed them all my goods, but they said no.
Why?
No, they said that we don't understand machine.
And reminded me to get undressed. But the second time, it was a pregnant lady that came here and told me that. So it's just a lot of mind games here. So I'm thinking about, this is just to make sure everything's going well, you know, good. Get some actual tests done, and then we might have to look for another provider. But my butt crack is out right now.
Please.
Guess what we figured out? We both have white coat syndrome. Yeah.
Oh yes.
We both have white coat syndrome. And you don't have to have on a white coat for it to happen.
Yeah,
You could
exactly.
Be here.
A doctor.
Where the people should have a white coat.
Explain to them what white coat is.
White coat syndrome is when your pressure goes up because you are going to the doctor or you're going to see a doctor. And it causes your pressure to rise even though you don't have high blood pressure or anything wrong with you. It just elevates your pressure because you're a little nervous
Exactly.
about seeing the doctor.
Exactly.
So women, if you know that you don't really suffer with high blood pressure, have them try to take it a second time. She just told me to take a deep breath in, and then I had to realize, like, I chose to be here. So, yeah.
Also remember not to have your legs crossed.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, that could change. And also like not talking, just kind of really calm. And breathe.
And breathe, deep breaths.
Yep. So, and I would.
Oh,
I
that's Mark right there.
Oh, yeah. This is that.
She don't want me on the camera.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
She don't want me on the camera yet.
Not
But
yet.
I'm behind the scenes right now. Just what is it? I'll be the
It gets
oracles.
people going when they don't see the baby daddy.
Oh, okay. Oh, he's not here.
I mean, my fiance.
Bam.
But I did have some questions to ask her. I guess I could still ask them, but so
She
far,
should.
I just wanna.
So you're gonna do that? I don't think they saw it.
Mm-hmm.
And they didn't see your hand. They didn't see your hand.
Yeah.
And if you happen to like the doctor, another option is maybe she has another office that she works out of. You just don't necessarily like this environment.
Because I do have private insurance. So we'll see. But we'll come back with all the fun stuff maybe. I tried to drink a whole bunch of water so they don't have to go transvaginally in there.
Which means
They have to put the wands, the imaging, whatever, inside of me. I really don't want that to happen. So I already emptied my bladder, which was annoying, but I drank some more water. So hopefully it was enough to push the baby to the top and we don't have to do all that. If not, I have to pee again.
so that means your bladder's full.
Yeah.
Be back soon.
Be back soon. love the clip and stuff.
Stop
That's the
touching
one
me.
for the stomach.
That's what I did last time.
I was like, damn, that looks bad. I mean, why am I doing this? Because these people be walking around here and the thing is hard as hell. They pussies be showing.
Mark. You don't worry about shit. It's hot. We're at Ross. That's it. Alright, so I want to know how you guys feel about, I don't know, babe, like her asking us to take the clothes off the hanger and shit. I'm just like, ain't that your job? Isn't that your job? Like, and it's really not that big of a deal, but I just feel like a lot of places, they ain't gonna do any job. They just be like, fuck customer service, fuck the customer experience, you know? I don't know, it's not fun spending money anymore. I feel like customer service was made to make the customer, like you said, it's never fun spending money. But if I'm having like an enjoyable time, you know, I feel important a little bit. Helps. That's how I feel. But y'all tell me how you feel. Like, no, it's not a big deal to take the clothes off the hanger. I think it's just more so the principle that this is your job.
This is real.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, mommy.
Yep.
You got what you wanted.
I told you. Looks like I'm gonna be your only girl still.
You wanted a boy?
Yes, I want a boy.
Girl, look at her. She ugly. He ugly. And this nigga.
Got to be more, been here before.